quick tip here. Okay, every day you guys should put a profile on the last RTH session. Okay, run it to 5 minutes before the 1600 hour central from the open. That's your prior day RTH point of control. This was in value on the prior. This is value. Value high, value low. That's just the outside edges. Okay. So this is prior day VAH. When I talk about that, prior day VAL, value area low. ETH session. You make a profile there. That's ETH point of control. This is a composite on the right. Right. So as I back out, I can get a composite view. Our composite view point of control is above 20,745. Okay. When price went down and blew out under prior day value, we had lower targets you could have went for. Okay. I took a short and got stopped and didn't get back in. I waited until where? Longs came back in value. This happens on almost any market framework. Came back into value, stayed above its IB mid in value, above that point of control. You want confirmation now for longs. We had an obstacle in the way, ETH point of control. We blew out over that. This was the long. This was an overnight target, ETH high. And we have our prior week where we parked. Do you guys get that? This is rinse and repeat on any market that's liquid. ES broke under the weekly open. No specific target really down there, but we broke out of yesterday's range. Very hard to trade. I took a micro ES here, got stopped somewhere. Okay. Short. Come back in a value above yesterday's RTH point of control. Above our composite value where people say, hey, good deal. We now stats, we have targets above ETH high. Above the point of control of composite and yesterday's RTH, you're long. First target here. Second potential. ETH high did not get there yet. Okay. Stats. We opened up. Ooh, what's bonds doing? Bonds on a roll. Very nice price action. Bounce above on the prior week low. Anyway. NQ. We opened above prior day close within yesterday's range, under yesterday's high. So that's HIR. Statistics. We are HIR, higher in range. When NQ opens higher in range, high probability of targets. Overnight high, 79%. That's only within its context. Okay, so these are examples, guys. This is how you want to use profile and start introducing profile, session profiles, composite profiles into the rest of your trading. Excuse me. Everything starts at IB. I'm sorry. IB is a tool, right? First hour of the balance. Okay. Now let's reflect ETH, RTH, prior RTH, and then you can start building up from there. Okay. And why do I introduce the indicator open, high, low, close for the monthly, weekly, and the daily? It's doing the work for you guys. Do you think that this is a do you think that this is a mystery? Like this is just coincidence? It's not. Okay? Everybody have a good day. And for those that are new to our channel, these are targets, right? So where was I mostly trading MNQ today, looking at MQ. I just had to turn this back on. So same thing. And I've got cloud notes set up. So statistical targets, negative points of control, prior week high, boom. This is where we are and this is what we're sitting. So I had to fire this thing back up for you guys, but this is the final piece of the thing. There's a few good people out there that teach this stuff. Tom T-Lab over at Bookmap. I think if you look at Some other companies like Future 71 at Convergent Trading uses statistics and stuff like that. But here's your order flow, and we use that too. So this is our tip of the sword. This is what we do. And edge of the sword, or whatever people call it, tip of the iceberg, whatever. And this is to initiate and then to manage. Because what happens sometime in a market that, this type of market here, you know sometime where to front run targets, leave some for the sweeps and different kind of potential elements that could be harmful to you to get to your destination. We use the order flow to get in, manage, track, and potentially get out early. So that's the your discretion part, but everything else is pretty much same framework. Okay, guys? All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Goodbye.